Hello everyone, and we're just gonna see how common it is in India to be driving on the wrong side of the road. So I'm on my car, and the footage is from my dash cam, and you're just going to see how common it is for people to drive on the wrong side of the road in India. I'm just gonna highlight the footage to show you those cases, like I did here. Another reason why I'm doing this video is because most of us Indians who drive on the roads, it has almost become uh, so common that we don't even notice it anymore. It's become like a normal part of our driving routine. But after I got my dash cam, I started noticing these, that it's so common that we don't even notice it unless we start paying attention. And this footage is actually from a national highway. Now back on city roads, I want to show you an incident where I almost got into an accident because of somebody coming on the wrong side of the road. Now notice this guy, he's actually on the wrong side of the road, but he's not visible now. But oh, there he is, and I almost got into an accident there. So that's it for today everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.